Phainai 8th January Salmario TSF ni Luwajijakma bai Palaijaknai Black Day Srangsalo kaisa Kokthum panda Khlaiwi no Sakwlaimung Rwkha TSF ni Tangphang Yakchu Hamalu Jamatia Ashalni Kokthum panda kok sanani thangi TSF ni Tangphang Yakchu Hamalu Jamatia Saka Khlaiwi modern bari ni dosram kamiwo Palaijaknai Black Day Ashalni Kokthum panda manjaka Tangphang Yakchu Hamalu Jamatia Asofang Zonde Burma Bivas de Burma Manis de Burma Onjili Tripura Profulo de Burma Khorang
TSF 2019 Chini Citizenship Amendment Bill noti TSF under the banner of NATO jeng statewide haike notice ganangui strike call khajak afro state government brutally open fire khajak without warning aro jaga sini 6 innocent student peacefully protest khai tangpro borona saka gulina so TSF asalno sung kosom sal noi tab sung to Khlaiwi boni bagai ang sini lukurona ang koiga musugu niro komono pogai ta thang jung TSF le pogya hapon niro no sung to Khlai ra musugu and taklai jung TSF simia sini logo kbangma student organization tong social organization tong boni bagai ang nirok jotno no koi nai nirok phaige all movement of support khaige ni bagai jung pogai thang ke chini future generation chini movement oro no paige thang government of India te government of Tripura ma busi nai te chungam ma busi nai jung sabana pressure othai nirok mugoi mana Bangladesh or Noxo Tozaka, government of Tripura, the government of India. Borok didn't react Hagen. Haven and Nizini, how on indigenous people rock. But Harzago, Kokzago. Amon is justice great. One way we are fighting very peacefully. Chini demand peacefully, so demand Kaiton. But youths, they know two ways. Tabok peacefully Kaiton. Violence who will be responsible for that? Government of India, the government of Tripura responsible. Unai yang Sakwlaimung. Tabok boni bagai jeng kena dasram kami kumulunggo jeng kosom sal palainai. Boni bagai joto student organization, social organization. Nirono jeng invite kagi manjaga ni bagai. Jeng all saluno pogya gai jeng borom khlaiwi thangthai. Boni bagai jung nirong ni loge nang ang omon sanai jung kha khai nirong sung loge mana nai te oro chini loge TSF MSU KSU YCA Mizo Convention te kabama organization tong jung borno welcome khai borno pipeline hambai borok support phung mane bagai te borok sung bai khana join with ne kon bai te waisa pipeline hambai jung khana jung chini 11 am chini Black Day, sing aro dasram kami kumulunggo Palaijaknai.
So, kau prosto kaya kaya semua kata kata semuanya hasil mudi Dr. CM Dr. Manik Shahani dia spes Rwkha samno betul clear na sahaja je ek schedule dana ke foreign language by pun dino abono kaya. Waktu ba indigenous script ba indigenous script Islamic lagi Singapore bagi razi tu, orang bagi cesta kene, tu ke foreign script, no, orang pun mungkin pun kaya mana no, tahu sama.
Nadi, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland and even Arunachal, if I'm not wrong, borok ki etcedula hazak de. Tabok sung TSF to sung etcedul saya. It's a state subject, state matter. Ang Chini minister MLA tongnai. Rono bangko yang musuh. Jung Chini borok rok, jung masuk ke national level, Abohai state nama cabinet of passing kan, ke Chini je MLA minister tu nai rok, borok itu Sakwlaimung na, borok itu support firma ke, public rok borok nasi sentai. Jung Chini TSF jung zaman sak, jung demand kai, but government tanggo borok masuk sentai bele. Jung Rwkha simia chief minister to royahina sagate etchedula royahina sang nijeni borok si opos khaigara public rok borok si rong isung thai
Raja Khoraguli Nishimi Shalsani Kokthum Chini Khorang.